Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's learn how to make some vanilla bean ice cream. Let's get started. Making homemade ice cream throughout the year can be a real treat. Making everyone's flavors can be really simple. I'm gonna show you how to make this basic vanilla, and then you can go from there adding in different flavors. Start out the ice cream, we are going to make a custard, which is also known as a creme anglaise. In a medium-sized pot over medium heat, add in 1.5 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure when you are making ice cream that you're using enough milk fat in the liquids. Milk fat is important to ice cream because 1, it increases the richness of the flavor, 2, it creates a smooth and creamy texture, 3, it adds flavor, and 4, it makes the ice cream more firm. For this recipe, I like to use a vanilla bean. If you don't have a vanilla bean, you can just use vanilla extract. Place the bean on a cutting board, and with a paring knife, you're going to slice open the bean. And then with the back of the knife, you're gonna scrape out the seeds and put them into the milk mixture. Then go ahead and add the whole vanilla bean as well. This is gonna help infuse the milk with more flavor. Did you know that according to the International Dairy Foods Association, the average American consumes 23 pounds of ice cream per year? So what makes ice cream so lovable? 1, there are endless amounts of flavors. 2, it's good during every season. 3, you can eat ice cream anywhere. 4, it lasts a long time in your freezer. 5, it's easy to make at home. 6, it's not only great by itself, but you can eat it with a wide variety of treats. And 7, if you're sick, it helps with the sore throat. So what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? While that is cooking, go ahead and combine 6 egg yolks, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream to a bowl. Whisk that all together really well until that mixture is smooth and the sugar begins to dissolve. Gradually whisk in about 1/2 cup of hot milk into the egg mixture. This is called tempering. If you were to pour the egg mixture right into that hot milk, you would cook the eggs. But by slowly adding the hot liquid to the eggs, it warms it up. This allows you to then add the eggs to the hot milk without overcooking the eggs. Once you've added about 1 cup of hot milk, go ahead and add the eggs to the hot milk and mix that well. Cook over medium to low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon. Keep stirring until it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon and it leaves a trail when your finger is drawn through. This is gonna take between 4 and 6 minutes, but make sure you don't let the custard boil because then it will curdle. Did you know I had to look up the word how to spell curdle? Because it's such an odd word. Just kidding. Well, it's like, try saying curdle 3 times. It's like weird on the back of my tongue, curdle. It like makes my mouth curdle. Make sure to have a bowl with a fine mesh sieve ready, as well as a larger bowl with an ice bath. When your custard is done, turn off the heat and pour it through the sieve. Add the bowl to the water bath and stir it until it's cool. Remove the bowl and dry off the bottom. Then you're gonna cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate until it's chilled, at least 3 hours or up to 24 hours. It's very important to whip air into ice cream because it contributes a lightness and a softness, and it stops the ice cream from turning a solid block in the freezer. Without the air, ice cream would be more like a frozen popsicle. Using your favorite ice cream maker, add in the chilled custard and freeze according to its directions. All growing up, ice cream was a real treat. We would go out for ice cream after family sporting events, or we would have it after Sunday dinner, or we would chase the ice cream truck when he was in the neighborhood. Now I eat it every single night. What a treat. Okay. Transfer the ice cream into a freezer-safe container and then cover it and let it freeze until it's really firm, at least 3 hours. Once the ice cream is nice and frozen, pull it out of the freezer and don't be afraid to dish yourself a nice big serving because you are going to love it. Something that goes really well with vanilla ice cream is apple crisp. So make sure you check out this video right over here where I teach you how to make it. We'll see you over there.